Hey, this is Taylor with Litt Industries going over our triple packout and side packouts for the Can-Am X3 Maverick. So we have two styles of packouts for your Maverick X3. We have our triple packout, and then we have a driver's side and a passenger side. Sold separately is our required stud packs. You'll need 2 packs for each of these mounts. You need 2 for our triple packout, 2 for our passenger packout, and 2 for our driver packout. This is how you install your triple packout. As you can see, we have our 4 pre-installed studs. So you're gonna take your packout, align your holes, drop it into place. Included in your stud packs will be these knobs where you can quickly and easily spin them on to fasten down your triple packout, and then you can click in your packouts. With your triple packout installed, you put your double packout on this side and your single packout on this side. This is how you install your side packouts for the driver or passenger side. We have our pre-installed studs here. All you're gonna do is line up the holes like so. Grab your included knobs with the stud packs, spin them on, and do that for the remaining, and you're ready to go. This is our best design for carrying as much tools and drinks as possible. We have our Yeti 24 here with our cooler straps, and then we have a passenger side and a driver side pack out. This is how you mount our universal cooler strap to your X3. You're gonna place this backwards so you have a wider holding area for your cooler. Then you're gonna spin your knob on. Next, you'll grab your cleat, and it's a tight fit. Snap that in to the side of your cooler, pull all the slack out, and then just ratchet it down, and then you're good to go. If you want to catch a pack out, go to the description below. That'll take you over to our site. If you're a veteran, while you're there, 15% off, get that GovX link. We do make these in the United States, so thank you for supporting American-made businesses, and stay lit.